Okay, it's 3:49 and pretty much we almost done with the kitchen. She's just polished the stainless steel appliances. The floor is clean. We remove the chairs, the boxes, all the garbage, all the containers. We scrub and clean the tile, and the baseboards are clean. That box and el electric cord de mi celular es mío. So we just need to do the last mopping. They just hired us today to do just the kitchen. That was the main concern, the cabinets and the refrigerator that you already know, and the dishes. So we just need to dry the floor. And this is Fiorella from Hoarder House Cleaning, and you can contact me anytime at 407-572-4118. I didn't take photos though.